Whew. Whew. All right, everybody, today we're going to be seeing what the KLX300 can do for its 0 to 60. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is do 3 pulls, and obviously I won't know until I'm into editing. I'll add in the times, but I'll add in the times, and then I'll also list my best time. So yeah, we'll do three 0 to 60 pulls, and ooh, this might be someone's yard. And this will just be good to know, because I know some people are probably wondering if they're thinking about getting this bike, you know, how well it can get out and get up to speed if you're in like if there's traffic or whatever. And also we'll just be able to know what the 0 to 60 time is if we do decide to do any modifications or anything, and we can see if we pick up any gains. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what she does. All right, first run. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, that was the first run. That actually felt somewhat decent. That first run there, I had started in second, so I think this next run we'll try starting in first, see if it's any different, better or worse. Alright, so take 2, and this will be starting in first gear. 3, 2, 1. That wasn't too bad. I couldn't tell if that was any better or worse, honestly, but we'll see. I think that first run starting in second, I was real low in the RPMs for a second, but all right, let's go ahead and do our last run here. I'm gonna start in second, or yeah, let's start in second again. Alright, well, there you have it. Once I get into the editing, I'll know what the times were looking like, but I hope y'all enjoyed. Maybe in the future we'll get some mods on here. But that's it for this one, guys. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more of these KLX300 videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.